as we have the while loop done, the same way we're going to repeat the following. And then there are notable things like the break and the break statement and the continue statement. We're still going to apply it also there. So we'll create a beast, Mario, Spider-Man, Turtle, and Carrots. So for G in games, we print out G, then give us the result. Now for G in game, when we use the break statement with it. Now that means we want to specify when it gets to this Mario, it should break up. So when it got to Mario, it should break up. So that's it. And then they continue with follow. So we have for G in games, if G equals to Spider-Man, continue with them print G. If you print, when it counts, when it looks through and get to Spider-Man, it will skip Spider-Man and continue on the next value. So see that Spider-Man is not available here. We also use what we call Python range. Now we want to have a range of number. We want to look through range of number. For example, it starts from the default value is starting from 0 and increment default value is 1. So 1 to 0, making 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, till it got to 19. So 20 is not going to be inclusive in the work. 20 is not going to be inclusive in the work. It's not going to be inclusive in the work. Now, the next thing is, let's say we have for num in range, print out num, so it's going to give you somebody 0 to 19. So that's it. Then let's want to specify the start instead of starting by default 0. We can control add a parameter. And the first parameter here is 5, which is the starting point. And the upper limit is 20. So the range of 5 and 20. Now, if you start and print out num to start from 5 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 7 to get to 19. Then we can also do something like we want to control what is added instead of adding one to it. We want to add a couple of numbers to it. We have the third parameter 2 means it should add 2 onto 5 every time the range still continue or still value. So we have 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 11 19. Then when you finish the loop, so what should it do? At least it should give me something like I can to say, okay, I finished this particular loop in a kind of automated system. So we have S print end of number, end of range number. So we have the end of range number. So that's how we got that. If you have understood your while loop very well, then this part will be easy. The next loop is we have games, Mario, Spider-Man, Turtle, card, race, players, Ronaldo, Messi, and Carter. Print games, print prayer. When you see, they print out these values. But what we want to do the next thing is we want to have a loop for a nested follow. So for us to print these two guys here means we need to print for us in game, print Y. For us in game, print for us in game, for Y in players, print X and Y. So it will give you the value just like that, It will give you the value like that. Print Mario, so and so for each of them. The last thing I want to talk about is past statement. with for loop. Now, a time comes when there is in case of no content in the for loop. So what we do is, when there's no content in the for loop, what we do is to add a pass statement, say for ops, if tell it there's no content of print, so have no statement. So what we add is, so that it can escape that and continue it can stop or terminate the loop. It doesn't give us anything yet. So that's how to do that.